Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. And yes, as you can tell, I have another fakey Blythe doll. This one I got with the idea of a possible collaboration that I'm going to do with Marna at Dolls Rescued way in the future. I have a character idea of one that we might do closer to the Christmas holidays that she might work for, but she also might work for some other collabs. I don't plan to buy a new doll for every collab I do. I really try to use not only dolls, but any type of materials or any type of fabric or other craft supplies. I try to see what I have in stock first. But I saw her and I thought there were some possibilities that she might fit into a couple of different collabs that we're going to be possibly doing in the future. So I went ahead and purchased her. Alright, so let's take a look. Obviously those are her pink eyes. And I won't mention exactly what I'm thinking of as far as a character for her because I don't want to ruin the surprise. Yeah, we have, Marna and I've really, she's over at Dolls Rescued. If you haven't been over her channel, make sure you head over there. But she and I have really been having a good time with the collabs. Ooh, look at her little, so she has these kind of peach colored lips and cheeks, very subtle. And of course, beautiful hair, really soft, not greasy. Very, very nice hair. She's pretty. And her hair color is sort of a, it's blonde, but sort of a, I think it has a bit of a reddish tint to it, I want to say. I mean, it seems like it's coming out on camera true to color. I don't know what color, if you had to say what color this hair is, what would you call this color? Kind of, I don't know, like a blondish, reddish, brownish color. Anyway, I thought she had a neat, unusual hair color, so let's get her out of the plastic here. Yep, she didn't come with any hands or any extra anything, just the doll. What's that on there? What is that? Uh-oh, I hope I can get that little off with Mr. Eraser. Looks like a little mark on her there. Let's look at her eyes. Of course, there's the pink ones. Side-facing gray. Pretty blue. Side-facing sort of brownish, orangish color. And her, oh, she got some eyeshadow that looks sort of, I would say that's brown eyeshadow. Super cute. All right, I'm going to comb her hair and come back on camera and show you what she looks like with her hair combed out. It is quite messy right now. Okay, she's back. Oh, her hair is just luscious, guys. I mean, now I think I'm going to have to maybe, her bangs, when I comb them, like there's some odd little weird pieces here that maybe need to be trimmed a little bit. And just FYI, if you ever get one of these dolls and you notice their hair comes out a little bit when you first get them, that is normal. Their hair is rooted. Okay, this isn't a wig, this is rooted hair. And so if you've ever seen a machine, I've seen videos of this on the internet where they show people, you know, putting in the hair, and it's a machine that they use. They kind of just grab stuff and stick it in there, as far as the actual hair, and not all of it actually makes it into the rooted part of the scalp, and so, but it gets kind of caught up in here, so it's not like a huge deal. You know, don't freak out if you have stuff coming out. Her hair is just gorgeous and soft and luscious, and she's a super cute doll. Yeah, I'll definitely find some stuff for her to do in the dolly room, helping me model. And I might even switch out her body, though I'm having a hard time with that lately. And I don't know if it's just because my hands are not strong enough and I continue to lose strength in them. But I've done some doll swapping body things, you know, swapped out some doll bodies, and I've had a hard time closing them up around here. But I do have this extra doll body, which probably would look cute on her. I mean, I really like the traditional bodies along with the jointed ones. So she might look cute on this. And it's like the right color tone for her too. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm having a hard time closing them up once I get it closed up around here, but around the neck part. And I don't know if it's just I don't have the oomph in my hands to close them all the way anymore or what. But I didn't used to have this problem. So not sure what's up with that. But I've tried 2 dolls lately and I've had problems with that. So anywho, enough yammering. What do you think about this cute little dolly? I have no idea what I'm going to name her. I didn't think I was actually going to be quite enamored with her like I am. But, you know, they just capture your heart, don't they? Give me some name ideas down below in the comments. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.